Imagine earning $6,000 every week from your couch with no startup costs. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that a new AI tool could make this dream a reality? Would you be interested to learn how? I know, like many, you're tired of complicated strategies and investments that don't pay off. You're looking for a simple, no-cost solution that actually works. Stay tuned, because I'm going to show you step by step how to use DeepSeek to tap into a gold mine without any initial investment. Let's unlock this incredible opportunity together. Getting started. Starting with DeepSeek is as easy as pie. All you need to do is go to their website and sign up for an account. The best part? It's absolutely free. Unlike other AI tools that might require subscriptions or hidden fees, DeepSeek offers full access without costing a dime. This makes it an excellent alternative for anyone looking to explore the power of AI without financial commitment. Step 2. Choose your niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial because your niche determines your path to earning. With DeepSeek, you can analyze various markets and find out where you'll make the most impact and profit. Let me take you back to when I first started. I was overwhelmed by the possibilities, unsure which direction to take. Then, DeepSeek came into play. I decided to focus on eco-friendly products, a niche I knew was not only profitable but also close to my heart. However, just as I thought I had everything figured out, I hit a roadblock. My chosen niche was too broad, making it difficult to stand out. Here's the twist. Instead of giving up, I used DeepSeek to drill down into specific, underserved segments of the eco-friendly market. Suddenly, I was connecting with an audience that was hungry for exactly what I had to offer. So, are you ready to find your niche and start your journey to earning $6,000 a week? Let's dive deeper and discover how you can make it happen with DeepSeek. Setting up your platform. Once you've signed up for DeepSeek and identified your niche, the next logical step is to join affiliate programs that resonate with your chosen market. A prime example is the TEU affiliate program. Platforms like TEU offer a seamless way to earn commissions by promoting products you believe in, without the need for your own inventory. The process is straightforward. Sign up on their platform, choose products that align with your audience, and start sharing your affiliate links. The benefits are twofold. Not only do you earn a commission for every sale made through your link, but many programs also offer bonuses and rewards for top performers, which can significantly boost your earnings. Step 4. Instagram and Pinterest setup. Now let's talk about where to promote these affiliate products. Instagram and Pinterest. These platforms are ideal for visual marketing and can help you reach a vast audience interested in your niche. Setting up your accounts involves choosing the right username, crafting a bio that grabs attention, and curating content that showcases the products effectively. On Instagram, use high-quality images and engaging stories to highlight the benefits of the products. On Pinterest, create pins that are not only visually appealing but also optimized for search with relevant keywords. Curious how you can stay ahead of the curve and turn these challenges into your success story? Keep watching as we dive deeper. Promoting products. Step 5. Find hot products. Finding products that sell well is crucial to your success in affiliate marketing. And this is where DeepSeek comes into play. DeepSeek isn't just another AI. It's your secret weapon for uncovering trending products within your niche. By analyzing current market trends and consumer behaviors, DeepSeek can highlight items that are gaining popularity but are not yet saturated by other marketers. This allows you to stay ahead of the competition by promoting products that are in demand but not overrepresented. For example, if you're in the eco-friendly products niche, DeepSeek can help you identify the latest sustainable gadgets or green home solutions that are trending among environmentally conscious consumers. The process is straightforward. You enter keywords related to your niche in DeepSeek, and it provides a list of products along with their rising search metrics and potential profitability. Step 6. Link in bio and promotion. Once you've identified the hot products, the next step is to effectively promote them. This is where Beacon AI and similar tools come into play. Beacon AI allows you to manage multiple affiliate links through a single streamlined bio link on your social media profiles, such as Instagram and Pinterest. You can set up a custom page with links to each product, which not only looks professional, but also makes it easier for your followers to shop the products you recommend. For promoting these links, a strategic approach in social media posting is essential. On Instagram, for instance, you can create engaging posts and stories that feature the products, use relevant hashtags to increase visibility, and direct followers to the link in your bio. Similarly, on Pinterest, You can create pins and boards that showcase the products in a visually appealing manner. Optimize your pins with keywords for better searchability, and link directly to your affiliate products to drive both traffic and sales. Effective promotion is about more than just posting links. It's about creating content that adds value to your audience's lives. For example, if you're promoting kitchen gadgets, share posts demonstrating how these gadgets can simplify cooking processes or offer unique recipes that can be made using the gadgets. This not only engages your audience but also gives them a practical reason to consider purchasing the products you are promoting. By combining the powerful product finding capabilities of DeepSeek with the organized link management of Beacon AI and strategic content creation on social media, you set yourself up for a successful affiliate marketing strategy that drives traffic, enhances engagement, and boosts sales. This comprehensive approach ensures that you are not just another marketer in the crowd, but a trusted source of valuable information and products that meet your audience's needs and preferences. Maximizing earnings. DeepSeek isn't just a tool for identifying trending products. It's also an invaluable asset for content creation. This AI-driven platform can generate engaging content ideas that resonate with your audience, craft captivating captions, and even help select the perfect images for your posts. For instance, if you're promoting fitness gear, DeepSeek can analyze popular fitness-related content across the web to suggest trending topics, such as home workouts or fitness apps for beginners. It can then assist in writing detailed posts or captions that not only inform, but also inspire your audience to engage with your content and consider your product recommendations. The power of DeepSeek extends to visual content as well. It can suggest high engagement images based on the latest visual trends in your niche. For example, if eco-friendly products are your focus, DeepSeek can recommend imagery that highlights the sustainability aspect, like visuals of green forests or clean oceans, which are likely to attract an environmentally conscious audience. Using AI to streamline your content creation not only saves time, but also enhances the quality and relevance of your posts, making them more likely to capture the interest of potential buyers. Step 8. Track your success and scale up. Tracking your success is crucial for understanding what works and what doesn't in your affiliate marketing strategy. Tools like Google Analytics or platform-specific insights can provide a wealth of data from which posts are driving the most traffic to which products are converting best. Monitoring these metrics allows you to fine-tune your approach continuously. For example, if you notice that Instagram stories featuring user testimonials generate more clicks on your affiliate links, you can increase the frequency of such content. Once you have a solid understanding of the successful elements of your strategy, scaling up becomes the next step. This could mean increasing the number of posts per week, expanding to new social media platforms, or even investing in paid advertising to reach a broader audience. It's also essential to diversify the range of products you promote. As DeepSeek helps you identify more hot products, you can add these to your promotions, thereby increasing your potential earnings. Additionally, engaging with other influencers in your niche to collaborate on promotions or guest posts can significantly expand your reach and affiliate sales. Thanks for sticking with me all the way to the end. If you found the insights on using DeepSeek to skyrocket your earnings helpful, you'll definitely want to check out our next video. If there's a point in this video that wasn't clear, or if you want to understand a topic in more detail, please leave a comment below. Your feedback drives this channel, and together, we can achieve even more. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, let's try to hit 500 likes, and I'll kick off a special series where I'll share exclusive content creation hacks using AI that haven't been discussed before.